So hello everyone. Whenever you want to install any Keil software, the first website you have to visit is keil.com. If you are a student and you want to execute codes for LPC2148 microcontroller strictly for educational purpose, then the best choice of software would be µVision4. Okay, but that is not currently offered by this particular website. So this is the link you can access, which is offered by e-Yantra website. Okay, they have archived some resources which includes even the Keil IDE. So once you reach this particular site, next thing you have to do is click on this particular link, okay, and go ahead with the download. Once the file is downloaded, double click on it, followed by that click on next, click on the checkbox, followed by next, and click on next. Fill these details and followed by that click on next. That starts the installation process. Click on finish. Now let me just go further and show how exactly to create your very first project. Okay, I'll close all this and go ahead with creating new project. So now in order to create a new project, you have to go to project, click on new vision project, okay, give your project name. Next, immediately you will get to choose your actual microcontroller. Go to NXP. LPC2148 is the microcontroller I'm using in my tutorials. So you can go and choose whatever microcontroller you need. Okay. After selecting that, click on OK. For running basic assembly codes on Keil, you don't need starter file. So as of now, I'll click on no. Okay. So since I have previously closed my project window, I'm going to view and then clicking on project window. Okay, so I can see target already created because I have already chosen my microcontroller. First I will create a new file. For that I'll click on this. Now because the file is created, write any code that you want here. I'm typing my basic multiplication code which I have already explained in the initial session. Yes, now once that is done, save your file with whatever name you want, but ensure it is a .asm file. Here under source file, select add files to group. Okay, select your current ASM file which needs to be executed. Okay, now you can see that appear here. Okay, so now go ahead and build this particular project. I can see there are no errors shown, so I'll go ahead with debugging. Call debug and start stop debug. Since it's a light version or evaluation mode, you can see size limit, code size limit specified here. Click on OK. So now you can start with actual debugging. I'll be continuously clicking on this particular icon to perform step-by-step debugging. Okay, if you want to run the entire code at once, click on this particular icon. Okay, so the execution is done and the final result is also stored in our register.